How to copy Looker Studio dashboard for new client. First of all, we need to connect account to Winster, to our connector. I don't have access to your account, so I can do from mine. You have Facebook and Google, so you have Facebook ads account and you connect here your accounts, like which account do you need. So I have something here and I don't know, okay, whatever. So I don't want to share my clients data, but okay, I have some. So you select all your clients that you need here. And this what you could potentially see in Looker Studio. So just select all clients that you need. Then click OK. If you need to connect other account, you click to grant Facebook ads access, do authorization, and you will see other accounts. The same you do with Google. Google Ads. I don't have any. Okay, let's connect something. Do I have something here? Let's see. So you connect your Google Ads account as well. Basic plan, limit reach. Okay, select all. Continue. Not sure that I think I have plan here, so I can do it. Yes, I can select several accounts that I want. I cannot because my plan, I reached my plan because I have, I think, Pinterest. I have Pinterest account connected, so I cannot connect Google Ads. But anyway, you can connect all Google Ads account that you need from your list, and that is it with Winster. After that, you go to your Looker Studio dashboard, click Edit, click Resources, Manage Edit Data Sources. Here you have one data source that we use, it's Winster AI connector. You click to Edit. Again, I will connect right now to my account because I don't have access to yours. Then you click to Edit Connection. And when you connected all your accounts in Winster, here in this parameter, optional select all accounts, you will see account that you connected before in Windsor. So I will not do it right now, but you select all accounts that you want. Not that you want, like all accounts that for whom you will create reports. You do it once, you select all of them. You select all, then it's nothing here, you change nothing here and click reconnect. I don't do it right now to not break your dashboard. So you click reconnect. Yeah, discard changes. And I recommend you to refresh report. Refresh with refresh data and just refresh the page. So when we set up data sources, you can do next, you can click three dots, you can click make a copy. When you make a copy, you have new data source Windsor, original data source Windsor. As we configure everything inside the connector, we don't need to change anything here, so just copy report. When we copy report, we have the same report, but we need to modify it for new client. We can check one thing here because I created some custom fields. Manage edit data sources, edit. Okay, yeah, so I don't have access to your Windsor IE, so that is why it doesn't work. But if you do it with the same account, so this is a problem. If you do it from the same account that you have access to Windsor, it will work. The problem is that, yeah, I'm not an owner of your data source. I'm not an owner of your data source, and I don't have access to your Windsor. That is why it doesn't work. So be careful to use the same email when you copy the dashboard. So for you, it will work. Then you go to resources. Okay, I will close it because it doesn't make any sense. So when you copy, you will have a copy of this. Then you need to go to resources, manage filters. And here you have two filters, Facebook account name and Google Ads account name, that you need to change. And here, Facebook account name, you click to edit and you type here your account name. If you're not sure how to write it correctly and how API has it, we can do next. I can create a chart for you. It's your original report. I will create it on the top. I will create it on the top that you can see it. Okay. And here we will have account name. I don't need any metrics here. Here you will see account names and I will remove filters from this chart. Nice. Why do we have nothing? Sorry. Okay, let's use filters. Okay, weird. So you have account name here that you can see. What can I do here? Let's remove like this. Let's do Facebook its data source. Account name. I'm sorry, I will pause it. Okay, what I made, I created a new page for you. So it is not visible if you go to view mode, you have two pages, but if you go to edit mode, you have like third page. I click two pages and I have here accounts page. Here we can see how your data source and account names are all possible for in Windsor account. Company. Yeah, because this is for Google. Let's say like Facebook. Yeah, this is campaign. So you can see that you have like now two data source connected and only one Facebook and only one Google account, and you have two campaigns in each account. So you can just see, you can see here how do you call your account. Then you go to resources, filters, Facebook account name, edit, change here name, and click save on the you can see you can have like save button here. I will not save it. Yes, and you do the same for manage filters for Google Ads. Google account name, you do the same. You change it to your new client account name. Then you can click to title of the dashboard and add, I recommend you to add client name here, client name. And that's it actually. So when you update filters, it will update on both pages, Meta and Google. And that's it. I think it should work and you will not have a problem. What I wanted to show you more, what I updated here. If you go to manage edit data sources, if you click to edit, for Facebook ads, we talked that Facebook could contain different conversions. So I created manual field that called conversion point. This is a field that I created. So I recommend you to go like how I did it, resources, manage, edit data sources, edit, find here like conversion field, click to FX to update it. And for as a default, you have like website contact conversion, and website purchases. If you have other conversion for other client, you can click here plus some and start to type how it called lead, for example, and you have some options. So you find how it called in your Facebook account, which kind of conversion you have. Then when you update formal, you click to update field. You click here to update. And that is it. So this is how you can change your Facebook conversion. And then you click finish. And it will update all conversions for meta ads on a meta ads page and conversion rate and cost per conversion. So in this you can change which kind of conversions do you want to count for Facebook. For Google, we count just all conversions that tag conversions in Google Ads. I think that is it. Let's confirm, like in short. Once you go to Windsor, you connect all your Windsor accounts. Next step, you go to resources, manage, edit data sources, edit, go edit connection, add here all your edit account and reconnect. Then you copy the dashboard. Then you go to filters and change filters name. To understand, to know how you will call it, I created for your account page. You can see how you call, how Windsor, how API shows us your account names. Don't forget to use the same email, because if you use another email that you use for Windsor, you will have this picture that is not nice. So be careful to use the same email. And if you want to change conversions for Facebook, you go manage, edit data sources, edit. In the search field, type conversion. Sorry. Edit formula and add conversions that you want to add. Click update and save. And that is it, what you need to do. And don't forget to update report name to understand which report is for each client. And the last point, don't forget to share. If you click share, you can share this dashboard for your clients. Also, you have a nice thing. You have some settings here. And what else you have interesting here? You can, if you click to this little triangle, you can download report and schedule delivery. This is a nice feature. You can send this dashboard all pages like Meta and Google Ads to email for your client. You can send it every day or week or month. And I think this is a really nice feature to do. That is it what I wanted to explain. Let me know if you have questions. Try to copy dashboard for 1 or 2 clients and enjoy. I hope you like this work.